Millionaires who lost everything. Lessons to avoid bad advice. Did you know that some millionaires have lost their fortunes because they followed bad advice? That's right, one wrong move, and their empires came crashing down. In today's video, we're uncovering the shocking stories of millionaires who went from riches to rags because of misguided counsel. Stick around, this just might change the way you think about advice. Welcome to the channel. If you've ever wondered how even the wealthiest people can lose it all, you're in the right place. And hey, while you're here, hit that like button and subscribe for more eye-opening stories. Let's get into it. We often look up to millionaires as the pinnacle of financial success. But behind the scenes, not all of their decisions are golden. In fact, some of them face catastrophic financial downturns because of bad advice. In this video, we're diving into the stories of successful individuals who trusted the wrong people or strategies. From dubious investment tips to trusting the wrong advisors, we'll uncover how their fortunes unraveled and how you can avoid the same fate. So, what's the problem here? It's simple. Bad advice can come from anywhere. It could be a trusted friend, a professional financial advisor, or even the latest trending guru on social media. Many millionaires fell into traps because they believed advice that seemed too good to be true, and often, it was. Overconfidence in risky investments. Blind trust in unverified advisors. Lack of diversification in financial portfolios. Each of these mistakes can lead to devastating consequences, as we're about to see in some real-life examples. Let's break down some jaw-dropping stories. First up, we have John, a tech entrepreneur who made millions during the dot-com boom. John was advised to reinvest all his profits into speculative tech stocks by a so-called market expert. When the bubble burst, John's portfolio was wiped out overnight. Next, meet Lisa, a real estate mogul who trusted her accountant's advice to take on high-risk property loans. When the housing market crashed, Lisa lost everything. Her story is a stark reminder to diversify and verify your financial plans. And who can forget the infamous case of Michael Jordan, who lost millions to a Ponzi scheme? Trusting without verifying led to devastating consequences. The most shocking story? That would be Michael, a hedge fund manager who trusted a close friend's startup investment pitch. He poured his life savings into the venture, only to discover it was built on false promises. When the company collapsed, so did Michael's finances. This dramatic turning point shows how even those with financial expertise can fall prey to bad advice if they let their guard down. So, what's the lesson here? Always do your due diligence, no matter how trustworthy the source seems. As we've seen, bad advice can have catastrophic consequences, even for the wealthiest individuals. But these stories also remind us of the importance of verifying advice before acting on it, diversifying investments, learning from the mistakes of others. Take these lessons to heart, and you'll be better equipped to navigate the financial world. If you found these cautionary tales insightful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Let us know in the comments, what's the worst advice you've ever received? And stay tuned for our next video, where we'll uncover strategies for making smarter financial decisions. See you soon. Subscribe button, animation and video recommendations.